Hello Rixt, it's good to see
Hi.
you. We are here at the Collibra office in the beautiful Gare Maritime in Brussels. We've just had a fantastic day, busy day of Collibra people staying and Tom de Jong on stage announcing the Power of One release, the big release of this June and October. But before getting into the weeds of that, I'm interested to know a bit more about you, who you are, who you work for, and what do you do in this beautiful data industry. What's your role?
Sure, thanks. So my name is Rixt. I'm working for Clever Republic, and this is an organization who implements data intelligence, though with a focus on business value. So we're really looking at use cases, business cases, and see how can we create most value in implementing data intelligence for the organizations we work for.
Diving into more of the topic of the day, right? We're all here in the office to witness the announcement of the Power of One.
Yeah.
How does that resonate for you, this announcement of today?
Yeah, I'm personally very happy about it because what we see is that data quality and governance are really closely combined, and especially because the business is always very much invested as well in having good data quality. So they defined what is important, which rules need to be implemented. And what we saw is that there was a little bit of a divide to get those quality metrics implemented and then make everyone aware of the quality of their data. And what you can see now is the whole process can be done in one platform. And that's definitely something that a lot of customers of ours will be very happy about. We are growing, so around 20 people at this moment, and Collibra is definitely one of our most valued partners, especially because you're very business focused as well. We became Partner of the Year, of course, customer impact, so that's definitely something which is great. And what you really embraced is that we are doing things a little bit different. We're really business focused on value, and that's something that Collibra embraced completely, and that's why it's really nice to see us growing together with Collibra.
We are obviously focusing much more on ROI and adoption, and I think this is clearly where Clever Republic stands out, because since the beginning you've put forward this concept of business value, return on investment, right? Which is very, very important for your customers and our joint customers. We've announced a few interesting things on the roadmap, thinking about the acquisition of Raito, some interesting integrations on Slack or Teams, or getting more into the weeds of getting closer to where the Collibra is being used, right?
Yeah.
What does that inspire you?
So it's all related to the Power of One, so you can really see that the vision is coming alive. We were actually already a partner of Raito because we really saw a lot of value in that platform. So we're really excited to see that Raito and Collibra are coming together because we see a lot of potential there. Access management is something that has been complicated until now, and I think that if we can bridge that gap all together, that would be amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks.